Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. Today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a copycat Tommy's famous cheeseburger. Chili cheeseburger. Okay? Alright, but it's going to be better. Alright, so let me show you. I got 2.5 pounds ground beef. I have some chili right here. You guys can see that. This is actually my own chili, and I will be leaving a recipe right up in here. And I have some onions, some pickles, tomatoes, and lettuce. And I have some sharp cheddar cheese right here with some mustard, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, some black pepper, and some salt. Alright guys, let's jump right into this and move all this stuff away. And we're going to mix some of this stuff up in here. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I forgot to tell you about the brioche sesame seed buns right here that we got right here. These are good too. So now I was gonna go ahead and use this black pepper, but I have to do a lot of this, and I'm not gonna do all that. I'm just gonna grab my other black pepper because I'm supposed to be making some lemon pepper seasoning. So we're just gonna go in here with like a tablespoon of this. That's right, I like a lot of black pepper in my stuff. So yeah, that's about a tablespoon. Then we're gonna come in here with our black pepper. I mean our salt. And about a teaspoon of this. All right, we're gonna come in our Worcestershire sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That should be enough of that. So that's probably like 3 tablespoons of that. You're just gonna come in here and mix it up really well. And when you do this, make sure your meat is like room temperature, because you don't want your meat to seize up. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and form me a patty up. Try to grab me a baseball size meat. Well, that's about baseball, maybe a little bit more. All right. That's all you're gonna do, guys. Roll them up, just like so. Yep, Tommy famous chili cheeseburger, but better, guarantee you that. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands up and probably warm my chili up in the microwave, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Take you guys over there to the stove in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Just gonna toast our buns up. I like to do the top ones first, and when you get those toasted up, do your bottoms. Okay. All right, so this is going to be going for because I do mine on low settings, like medium low or something. All right guys, when you get done, I'll show you what we be doing. You're gonna do the same thing with your bottom buns, okay? See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Here's my buns right here. That's how I want mine. If you want yours lighter, then you can do yours lighter. But anyway, let's jump right into these burgers. Just gonna get our burgers. Now you can do it like this, or you can take the spatula and push it down, or whatever the case may be. So there's gonna be some big burgers. I'll let you know. Yes sir. Alright, we're gonna cook this guy for about 4 or 5 minutes. Total cooking time. We're not making smash burger. I know I've been smashing, but we're not making smash burger. Alright guys, when this gets done, I'll show you how to put these Tommy's, well, Copycat Tommy's chili cheeseburger together. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I flipped my burgers over. I'm just putting this press on there. Make sure it get all the way done good. If you guys don't have some press like that, you can take a skillet or something, or a smaller skillet, and put it on there and let it sit on there. I have like 2 presses. I'm just going to use one though. So here's my other one. I can just go like that and be done with it. Matter of fact, I'm going to use both. It's already got dirty now, huh? So after you guys, I just want to show you guys that in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Now what I did here, I just set my stuff for simmering my stuff up. I put like a teaspoon of Duke mayonnaise on it at the bottom. Okay, just like that, guys. I'm talking about something good. I'm trying to tell you. This is why I say it's better than Tommy's. That's right, this is a copycat. Not the original, but the copycat. Tommy's chili cheeseburger. Alright, on the top we're gonna come with some mustard. Like that. And we're gonna take us some onions for the top. Alright, now at the bottom, we're going to come with some lettuce. This is butter leaf lettuce. Alright, we're going to come with tomatoes. She only wants one on hers. Just like that. Put her one on hers because she don't really eat tomatoes like that. I'm going to take us a couple pickles. 4 pieces of pickles. I'm talking about something good. Oh my goodness, guys. If we only knew how good this copycat sandwich is. I seen it floating around on YouTube and I had to try it. And it was off the chain. Off the chain. I said I have to try it. I'm going to have to go ahead and make it for my peoples. Alright, we're going to take our burger. We'll sit that on there. That is mine. Haha. Alright, here's my chili, guys. Right here. You guys got to make it. Make it, please. You will not be disappointed. So you just throw some chili on here. Talking about something good. Chili up. Let's see if we ain't got that much. Alright, move this to the side. Why some people like it, I don't know why, but they want a little ketchup on theirs because the sauce got ketchup in it. If I can get it to working. Just like that. Take our buns. Put it on there. Just like so. That's how you make a copycat Tommy original famous chili cheeseburger. And I guarantee you're gonna love it. So please guys, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And that's right, let's grab that bell. Hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. And I'm out.